Hello, students and brainiacs. Today we are breaking down the 12 cranial nerves. I'm going to keep it super simple, and by the end of this video, you will be a pro. Let's jump in. The cranial nerves are part of the central nervous system. They are very powerful nerves that emerge directly from the brain and brain stem. This direct origin allows for a very fast and very precise communication. They are responsible for the brain's direct connection to the head and neck, controlling a wide range of functions that are essential for survival, development, and daily life, like your sense of smell, taste, sight, hearing, and facial movements, and even keeping your heart beating. The cranial nerves are the very first nerves to develop in the body, and you have 12 pairs of them, numbered by order of development. Here's an easy way to remember their names, with the mnemonic O-O-O, to touch and feel very green vegetables. Ah, heavenly. The first letter of each word helps you remember the name and order of the cranial nerve. Some of these nerves are sensory nerves. They help you feel. Some are motor nerves. They help you move. And some are both sensory and motor. Here's another mnemonic to help you remember which nerves do what. S is for sensory, M is for motor, and B is for both. Some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter more. Now let's go through them one by one and tie in the name and the function. We are going to use pizza for this to help us understand in a super simple way how our cranial nerves operate and how they function around pizza. Cranial nerve number 1 is the olfactory nerve. It's a sensory nerve, responsible for our sense of smell. It transmits sensory information about scent to the brain. It smells the pizza. Cranial nerve number 2 is the optic nerve. It is a sensory nerve dedicated to vision and transmits visual information from the eyes directly to the brain. It sees the pizza. Cranial nerve number 3, the oculomotor nerve, is a motor nerve. It moves the eyes in 4 different directions and helps change the eye's focus. It moves the eyes to find the pizza. Cranial nerve number 4, the trochlear nerve, is a motor nerve. It moves the eyes down and in. It looks down at the pizza. Cranial nerve number 5 is the trigeminal nerve. It's both a sensory and motor nerve. This nerve has 3 branches and is responsible for facial sensation and chewing. It chews the pizza. Cranial nerve number 6 is the abducens nerve. It is a motor nerve. It moves the eyes from side to side. Maybe it's checking for more pizza. Cranial nerve number 7 is the facial nerve. It's both a sensory and motor nerve, responsible for facial expressions and taste. It smiles because pizza makes you happy. Cranial nerve number 8, the vestibulocochlear nerve, is a sensory nerve. It controls hearing and balance. It hears someone say, "Pizza's ready." Cranial nerve number 9, the glossopharyngeal nerve, is both a sensory and a motor nerve, responsible for both taste and swallowing. It tastes that delicious pizza. Cranial nerve number 10 is the famous vagus nerve. It is both a sensory and a motor nerve. This nerve goes way beyond your head and neck to control your heart, lungs, and digestion. It keeps your heart calm and allows you to easily digest that pizza. Cranial nerve number 11, the accessory nerve, is a motor nerve. It moves the neck and the shoulders. It shrugs when someone asks, "Who ate the last slice of pizza?" Last, but certainly not least, is cranial nerve number 12, the hypoglossal nerve, a motor nerve responsible for moving your tongue, helping you to chew and to speak. It moves your tongue to say, "It was me. I ate the last slice of pizza." We are done. You just learned all 12 cranial nerves super fast. Remember to test your new knowledge after the video with the neuro quizzes located in the cranial nerve playlist. This is Dr. CeCe. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe below. See you next time for more fun anatomy made simple.